Hello, I'm Ethan Roberts.
I'm Clayton Deondre.
I'm Deondre Graham.
And we're showing you what you should do and what you should not do during a tornado situation. First off, you want to keep your cool and find a safe place, like a safe room or storm shelter, interior room, or under a staircase. And secondly, you want to close all windows or doors. And watch the Weather Channel and keep yourself updated on the storm.
And in case of emergencies, always have candles, flashlights, and a battery-operated radio.
This is what to do if you're driving a car in case of a tornado. Ethan, DeAndre, and Clayton have just discovered the tornado's coming. So they've stopped the car and pulled off the road. And they're going to get in a ditch. And cover their head.
One thing you shouldn't be doing is playing basketball when a tornado hits.
One thing you shouldn't be doing is jumping on the trampoline.
On your phone.
Alright, with your phone.
Hello.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, yeah. Do not stand outside watching tornadoes. Okay? One thing you shouldn't be doing is dancing.
One thing you're not supposed to do is play video games while there's tornado warnings.
Oh crap, there's a tornado.
Oh. Drop shot.
One thing you shouldn't do is ignore the tornado sirens. Ethan! Tornado!
What?
Tornado! Outside.
I don't know.
Then come away.
Hello. Some important facts to know about tornadoes are that most tornadoes cannot even be seen, like they're transparent. And all tornadoes are violent rotating columns of air. And the strongest tornadoes have rotating speeds of almost 250 miles per hour. Average speeds of tornadoes are probably around like 30 miles per hour and can even be a mile wide. And this is how you stay safe about tornadoes. So safe rooms. Safe rooms are structures designed to withstand battering ferocious storms such as tornadoes. They're a lot more safe than trailer homes or your average home. And they're mostly metal and like implanted in the ground. So that's what a safe room is.
This is a tornado safe room built to withstand tornadoes or natural disasters. They're safe and resilient and heavy. They can be bolted to the concrete, and Jim Giles is a weatherman who designed this safe house, and it can also be used for like keeping things safe, like valuables, any kind of things you just want to stay under safe key. And
Oh.
that was Ethan looking at a swimsuit calendar.
Gosh, leave me alone.
Okay.
Hello, these are the things you need when you're in a shelter because you never know how long you might be in here. Here's your super duper handy thunder calendar.
Super duper handy.
Yep, here you go, DeAndre. And here's like a magazine so you won't get bored, you know what I mean? And if you ever get lonely and you want to cry, I always bring this, you know.
Keep your pets is
yeah,
the
keep
point.
your pets, yes. And Yeah, another magazine. And your like things, you know, like pictures and
Valuables.
some valuables, yes. And water. You need water. You know, water's good. And a first aid kit is always handy because, you know, you don't want to get your skull, you know, like infected, you know what I mean? Or whatever.
August is the best month.
And food and water. A tool, because you never know, you know, might need to fix something in here. You know. And it's also used when you get out of the storm shelter, okay? To fix gas pipes.
Gas
Or
pipes.
whatever. And here's like a book, you know, you can write your thoughts into when you're lonely or something.
Or you're about to die and you want somebody to find this.
And when you're bored, you can get a book, you know.
Okay, what?
My diary.
This is diary. I want to read it.
No, bro.
That's why I talked about Charlie.
Totally. More food. And a flashlight, because you always need this. This is very important. Never mind. And some chapstick. Don't want your lips to be getting chapped. And my favorite is the fire extinguisher, because it's so cool to play with. And when you get out, you can put out fires, you know. Okay, so that's all the stuff you need.
And a phone.
Yeah, and a phone.
And in case you're over there overnight, you need a blanket, a pillow. Try to get a bigger safe house. Because there could be a giant family in this one. And that would be uncomfortable. Oh, you need first aid kit. Did we talk about that? Alright.
Prefabricated homes like trailers and log cabins and motor homes or even campers are one of the worst places to be in during a tornado situation.
And, crap, I was not paying attention. Because they're not attached to the ground in any way and are mobile, which means they're on wheels, it makes them very light so they can come off the ground easily. And that is disastrous.
This is how we survived.
Living in Oklahoma.
Living in Tornado Alley.
I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw it. Now you get